I drove all the way from Southern California to the largest car show in Arizona. There's even helicopters here. So this Tesla makes noise. Everybody likes the Cybertruck. Well, good morning. It's the morning of the car show, and here in Fountain Hills, Arizona. Such beautiful views today. Looking forward to a fun day of some modified electric vehicles and all the other epic gas-powered vehicles that are going to be there today. Fountain Park, Arizona. Some vehicles pulling in here to the show. Gotta find the electric vehicle section. Should be interesting. Here we are, helicopters. Electric vehicle section. I drove all the way from Southern California to Arizona to put my electric vehicle in the largest car show in Arizona. There's even helicopters here. And this is not my car. This is my car. So since we can't rev our engine, we're gonna do a light show.
I am the voice of Night Industry 2000's microprocessor, KITT for easy reference.
Everybody likes the Cybertruck. You guys like Knight Rider? I went around this whole show and there's a ton of really cool vehicles, but before I give you a slideshow of all of those, I'm gonna show you all the electrical vehicle section. This is my car, Fat Pal, GMC Hummer EV, one of the fastest trucks you can buy, 1,000 horsepower, 0 to 60 in 3 seconds. Here's a Rivian R1S with this really cool tent setup. Some other mods. Cybertruck with some custom wraps. It's custom fender covers. We got the Cyber Beast symbol on the front. Really cool, customized. And then we got Rojo Gambino here. This guy pretty much has everything done to his vehicle. You got some money in there. Airbags, air suspension, custom wheels.
Okay, I'm gonna ask yourself to be human.
Objection sustained.
No, the witness can't object.
Oh. So this Tesla makes noise. He's got the speaker system set up with different exhaust sounds. The BMW iX. Bat Pal again. Another Cybertruck with some custom wrap and design. We got some Model 3s here. Custom wheels. We got Grape Tesla with this fancy custom wrap. And then you got the airbag suspension. And some lights. Got a Polestar. Polestar the car. And sorry, that's the Polestar 3. And I got another custom wrapped Cybertruck. Bengals fan. Number one fan. Nice. We got the Cyber fridge, Cyber cooler. Porsche Taycan EV. Taycan 4S. And then we got the Lucid section. This is the Grand Touring. It is basically fully loaded. Let's take a look inside. It's a good song, but we can't play it. So, we got this wraparound screen, really cool. You also got a screen here, and this one folds away. Check this out. Boom. Tesla don't do that, that's for sure. Some storage here. Nice perforated, cooled, heated seats. And there's the back. You got a nice, I think it's moonroof, and this nice long windshield. So very cool. If you have to ask the price, you can't afford this one. And then here's the other Lucid. This is the Pure, Air Pure. Very nice premium feel. Killing us with the music again here. Definitely more buttons than a Tesla. This one is the more affordable model, so there's no glass roof. Oh, I guess you got a little rear screen. Let's check out the trunk. Excuse me. Whoa, look at all that space. That's pretty deep. Another pocket here with some plugs. Pretty cool. Electric vehicle section here at Concours In The Hills. This fountain goes off once every hour. It used to be the tallest fountain in the US, I think. So much to see here. I have to come back next year, hopefully. It's just a lot to take in. I would love to cover every single customized electric vehicle and gas-powered car, but it's a lot. The helicopters, boom, boom, boom. They're about to take off in a few minutes. So I'm gonna do one last light show.
ITT for easy reference. Kit if you prefer.
There's a Dodge Viper leaving, so we can catch some of these cars on their way out. Got a lowrider here. Some Porsches. If they're in the show or they're just driving around. So I might be risking my GoPro here. I'm going to try to attach it to a pole. A lot of people here waiting to see this happen, and my GoPro just fell. I've never been this close to a helicopter taking off. Oh, and there's a fountain. Oh, and number 2. Looks like they're all getting ready. Oh, I can feel the wind. Yep. This is crazy. Intense. Oh man, that was crazy. Here is the Dome Rock. I bet you they were there. The iced cherry chai. I don't know what color door handles. Favorite YouTube is. They got their charging port on the opposite. My favorite feature, acceleration. This place has everything. I think there was like one person that watched